Sony SRX XE300, an interesting experiment in driver design. By time given October 21, 2022. The bottom line: the outdoor-friendly Sony SRX XE300 Bluetooth speaker output loud, clear audio, but its odd driver configurations doesn't do it any favor. Its pros: powerful audio performance with rich lows and crisp high. App allows for some EQ adjustment. Waterproof and dustproof. Bullet can produce mono or stereo sound. Its cons: uncompelling app design. A typical driver setup cause unidirectional sonic effects. Sony SRS XE300 specs: channels 2.0, Bluetooth yes, Wi-Fi not. All specs: the $199.99 Sony SRS XE300 is the middle child of the company's latest X series Bluetooth speakers. Joining the SRS XE200 and the SRS XG300, the speakers gets quite loud for its size, and we like its highly durable design. A companion app with a decent array of EQ and battery customization optional also adds appeal. That said, an unconventional driver setup doesn't live up to Sony's promise of improving sound dispersion. We wouldn't mind paying a premium for an experimental design that clearly enhances performance, but that simply isn't the case here. As such, the JBL Charge 5 $179.99 remains our editor's choice winner in this price range because its traditional driver setup leads to a more consistent sonic experience. Vertical drivers in a durable shell. The 2.9 pounds SRS XE300 is available in black, grey or teal. It looks like an oblong rounded pentagon and measures 9.4 by 4.1 by 4.7 inches. HWD: you can use it either in a vertical or horizontal orientation, but for reference, most of the press shots from Sony show it sitting vertically. Upon first inspection, it's not obvious where the audio emanates from. That's because Sony opts for a so-called line-shaped diffuser here. The vertically arrayed drivers are larger than the thin band of fabric-lined grill indicate audio travels through a narrow aperture rather than an obvious obstructed covering. Add thought silicone material covers the bulk of the device, but there's vertical control panel on the right side. Not that simple in the soft silicone material are associationally visible. They are most apparent when you look at the speaker from above and less obvious in more diffuse light. These spots are likely where Sony fastened the outer material to the internal components, but most manufacturers manage to avoid any such descent in their design. Dual 1.9 by 2.8 inch full range drivers sit behind the grille in a vertical stack. The oval shape, which provides more surface area on the speaker cones, ostensibly enables more sound pressure and less driver experience. Sonic claims this design choice should lead to puncture bass, less distortion, and a wide sound stage. Previous passive radiators are at both ends, but the main one is at the base when you position the speaker vertically.